Also das ist ein Mark oder was?
Ein Mark, ja.
Hello guys, good evening.
Ja.
evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Saiga. Let me to start in the black jacket.
Yes.
Yo,
Can you tell me your name, please?
what?
Can you tell me your name? What's your name, brother?
Yes, my name is Abdi Alto.
Abdi Alto. Where do you
Yes.
come from, Abdi Alto?
I'm from Somalia.
You come from Somalia. Thank you so much. The middle one. What's your name, brother?
My name is Ahmad Jainal. I'm one of ASEAN.
You're from Asia.
Yeah.
So, the other guy, the little boy. What's your name, bro?
My name is Abdullah.
Your name is Abdullah. Abdullah, where you come from?
I come from Somalia.
You come from Somalia. Okay. Today we have three guys. One come from Asia. Two of them, they come from Somalia. I will start the question. The first person, the black jacket. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me 5 continents in Africa?
5 continents.
5 countries in Africa.
Yeah, well, I can do. Somalia,
Somalia,
Ethiopia,
Ethiopia,
Kenya,
Kenya,
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. Ja, Afrika.
what the fuck?
Saudi Arabia is Arab.
Why not?
Bro, Saudi Arabia, Afrika.
Arabia is not so Africa.
Saudi Arabia is
ASEAN.
Africa.
Okay.
Okay.
ASEAN.
The black jacket, we see you now. You told me you come from university. Thank you so much. The one from Asia. Welcome, bro. You are the second person, eh?
What you
Can
to
you
ask me, bro?
can
I
you
don't
tell
understand.
me 5 countries in Europe?
This is easy, bro. I can say. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Number
we are in
one?
Germany. One
Germany.
Germany.
Yeah.
Madrid.
Madrid.
Yes.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Madrid is
Yeah.
it's not
No.
a country. It's
It's a city, bro.
a city.
Madrid City.
We ask
Country.
you
Country.
country.
Madrid.
Madrid, no, it's city,
Madrid
bro.
is city.
And it's also a football club, bro.
Madrid. Yeah.
Yeah.
Madrid. Barcelona.
Bro, that is football club, bro.
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 Italy.
Country.
Yeah,
Yes.
Italy.
Italy. And then Berlin.
Berlin city, bro.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. German.
No.
German. One
German.
German.
Madrid.
Nah.
No, bro. Bro, Madrid is a
It's
city.
a city, country.
It's a city of a country. So we need that country, if you know.
Country, Madrid.
No.
No.
Bro.
The capital city of Spain is Madrid.
Yes.
So Madrid is the capital.
Spain.
Espanol.
Spain.
Spain.
Okay.
Yeah.
One Italy, one Spain, one Germany.
Germany.
Mm-hmm.
Barcelona.
No, you are getting it, bro.
No, you are
No.
with me.
No, Barcelona, bro.
Barcelona.
No, you must say a country name.
Oh, let me think, bro. I don't know, bro. For this one, you invite me to
Which
your
kind-
program or
Which kind of cigarette do you smoke today?
sorry?
Which kind of cigarette do you smoke today?
This guy did
I
smoke.
smoke sometimes, bro. But
You
no
smoke
cigarette,
tomato. Tomato.
Yeah,
Tomato?
Tobacco.
tobacco.
Tomato.
Tobacco, buri.
Tomato.
This is tobacco cigarette.
Tobacco, Somali.
No, bro. I don't do. I do not take drugs, bro. No. Is it like a drugs, bro?
Yeah, but in Somali,
Okay.
they use it like this.
Ahmed, you come from Asia. Thank you for your answer.
Yeah.
But that answer was not correct.
Why, bro? You ask me.
But-
I try
No,
to.
he
Let me
tried
to
his
ask
best,
you
bro.
another
It's a
one. His
professional
name is
football
Abdullah.
club.
He come from also Somalia.
Yes.
Abdullah, can you tell me 5 countries in Africa?
In Africa.
Yeah.
So let me. I try
Mm-hmm.
Africa and
English good.
Nigeria,
Nigeria,
Mozambique,
Mozambique,
Angola,
Angola,
Berlin.
Berlin. It's Deutschland.
Berlin Europe, Digga. Berlin Europe country.
Bari yürüp gelsin ya.
Berlin European
Berlin is
country.
in
Yeah.
Europe.
Not
No.
Berlin European
Wir sind
country.
in Deutschland, Bruder. Und Berlin ist die Hauptstadt of Deutschland.
So, scheiße.
Malaysia.
Ich hab zu...
Nein, Digga.
Malaysia.
Malaysia doch.
Ist Afrika oder?
Asia.
Malaysia ist Afrika.
Malaysia, Asia. Huh?
Ist Malaysia, ist Asia, Bruder.
I think
خلاص انت خوشنو قروني غوتا ايتا برو اسودا انت.
Bruder, du bist as.
Nein,
Was ist das?
ich hab nicht gesagt.
Deine Sprache.
Nein, ich hab nichts gesagt.
Bro, you don't go to school in Somalia?